stop guessing on how to solve level 47, and I'm not a robot. This is exactly how you beat the rhythm challenge without failing once. Most other tutorials for NeoFun games are just plain wrong, giving you vague advice about timing, when this level actually requires a pixel-perfect accuracy rate of 85% or higher to pass. Before we start the track, you need to understand the input logic, or you will just get stuck at 80% accuracy and have to restart the entire game again. We're going to do this hand in hand, step by step, so it is physically impossible for you to fail the Din Don Dan challenge. This is Rexish, the authority on the high-speed fixes for the world's most annoying browser games. First, do not use your mouse to click the arrows because the latency is too high. You must use the physical arrow keys on your keyboard for the most responsive input. Now, here's the secret trick that every other creator completely missed. The hit detection is actually slightly below the visual line, so you need to tap the key when the falling arrow is about 10 pixels past the target center. If you hit it perfectly in the middle, the game often registers a good instead of a perfect, which will kill your percentage. Keep a steady pace and do not panic during the double arrow drops near the bridge. If you find your accuracy slipping, focus purely on the up and down arrows as they carry more weight in the final score calculation. Once the song ends and the verification successful message appears, you are officially through to the final level. If you want the bypass code for the level 48 secret video, let me know in the comments.